You pulled me from the clay. You set me on a rock. Call me by your name and made my heart whole again.
Brothers and sisters, we are marching out on the streets, not begging the Lord, but God has given us the authority to trample on snakes and scorpions and all the powers of the enemy.
While all my sin remains, left for dead in your wake. You crashed those angel gates. You left no stone unturned. You stepped out of that grave and showed me all the way. Come on. So here I stand, I surrender. I need you now. Hold my heart now and forever. My soul cries out. Once I was broken, but you love my whole heart through. Sin has no hold on me, 'cause your grace owns me now. Healed and forgiven. Look where my chains are now. Death has no hold on me, 'cause your grace holds our ground. And your grace holds me now. Your grace holds me now. Your grace holds me now. Your grace holds me
Si Ginoong Isus nga nagpakatao, mingon siya nga sa tanan nga mudawat kaniya, siya maghatag og kagahom nga mamahimo kang anak nining kabiuna. So di pagbasa ang pulong sa Dios adlaw gabi, kay mao kini ang atong gahom, mao kini ang atong kinabuhi, mao kini ang atong kaluwasan. Tungod kay ang Dios naghangin kanato, kung walay pulong sa Dios wala gayon kita. Usay galaging zoning nung naka ikan karon papuy ang pulong sa Dios sa imong kinabuhi.